Yep. Yeah, go ahead, Jake.
So we just want to record another call here for you. This is another property that we recently won. It's in Springfield, Ohio, at 325 Larchmont Ave. Um, it doesn't look as bad as it does there from the outside, but we got it at a great price at 77,000. We knew coming into it, there is some flooring we need to replace in the back bedroom as well as some plumbing. But we do have comps repaired that are over 200,000. So there is room for any investors that would want to buy this as well. If you pull up our comp area right here, you have this at 280. Again, we're not gonna be able to get that, but again, we're probably around 180, something like this, 180, 200 repaired. This wasn't fully done either.
Yeah, it's a mix of new,
Yeah,
new
mix and
and
match.
dated
Yeah.
type of thing. Yeah.
But anything you want to add there, Mike?
Yeah, the other thing is, that's a rehab play. The other way we noticed is based on comps. We could buy this as is for the 77 and relist it on the MLS for as is for 125. And essentially your loan to cost ratio is pretty low compared to that because you're buying an asset, a property at 77 and
Right.
as is value, just putting it back on the MLS, we're going to be at around
Yeah.
125. So we might go with that approach as plan A, even just from a quick flip perspective.
Right. And
But
we did see this right here as a comp at 118,000 that
Mhm.
definitely needs
A
a
a
lot
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 of
more.
more work than the
renovations.
subject property, and that's
And the
kind of
fact
how
that
we
we're at
got comfortable.
77 gives us room to whether we
Exactly.
want to wholesale it or flip it ourselves.
Yeah.
I would agree. Yeah, I
Yeah, and
mean,
then Springfield's between Dayton and Columbus for those of you that not familiar with the area right off the highway. Again, we did our own analysis like we always did. We got a local agent in that area that we worked with in the past that verified numbers for us from the MLS and looking at the property. So if this is a property that's of interest to you, the lending perspective, I'm happy to lend anywhere from 10 to 12% interest. That's where usually our private lenders lend on these properties. You're going to be in first position. Again, you're lending on a property at 77 and as is value is 125. So good discount there, loan to value. Any questions, feel free to email me or Paul Lizell at gmail.com or Michael at housedealsamerica.com. And I'll put those emails in the video description below.